End of transmission.
Alright guys, we are back up here at the Amtrak station here in Effingham. We do have a train on the way. It's a solid green. He's heading southbound, and we're waiting on a CSX train to come through that has the Baltimore and Ohio and the Western Maryland. I've been following them all the way from Marion, Ohio today. Supposed to do a crew change in Avon, Indiana. They're at that big Avon yard. And so yeah, we're just waiting on him. He's went through Marion, pulled into Indy, should be in Avon now. And I'd like to thank Logan Coppola for giving me the heads up on his Southern rail fan, giving me the heads up. And I got Joe Weddle set up in Terre Haute, so he's going to give me the heads up. And so anyways, we're going to wait and see what we got coming through here, and hopefully we'll get some good traffic through here. It's been pretty slow this afternoon, but hopefully, like I said, we'll start picking up a little bit. Real excited about getting this Baltimore and Ohio. Such rich history and railroad history there, along with the Western Maryland. So it's on a stack train, so from what I understand. So like I said, we've been following him all the way through. I think he left New York last night, so he's made a long journey. They're going to crew change, and hopefully we'll pick him up here in just a little bit, maybe after 4 o'clock or so. But anyways, we're just hanging out, waiting around here, waiting on some traffic to move through here. Like I said, we have a green light, so let me check and see. Yep, I see his lights, I think. Yep, there's his lights down there. Let's see if we can zoom in. You can see him down there. But anyways, like I said, we're going to keep an eye on. Stay tuned for that heritage unit. 2 heritage units on that too, so this is going to be pretty cool. I'll be glad to get those caught. That'll be my first time catching the Baltimore and Ohio. So alright guys, stay tuned. We'll have this train coming through southbound, and we do have a Kansas City Southern that's coming from the west leading, and CSX is due out of Rose Lake heading east, so eastbound. So hopefully we'll catch those too. All right, stay tuned guys. All right, we do have train 1 getting ready to come through here. We'll take it. It's been very slow today. Looks like it could be a Canadian National. So let's take a look and see what we got rolling through here. Again, it's southbound. We're waiting on those heritage units to make it through here too, so stay tuned guys. Here he comes. going straight through. 3,300 repaints, from what I understand. They're repainting those down in Fort Worth, Texas, 3,300s. Got a nice horn salute there. Like I said, hopefully we'll pick up something else through here. CSX has been pretty slow today, so I'm looking for them to start picking up. But like I said, just stay tuned. We'll have more action to come here. It's about 64 degrees today, light rain, it's overcast. But not too bad of a day for rail fanning, so like I said, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we've got a train on the way here. Solid green light southbound on the Canadian National line. You have a Kansas City Southern with UP power moving westbound. He was spotted in Fillmore, Indiana. Just got the heads up from Joe. He is in just cleared Terre Haute, so he'll be here in about an hour. And we're still waiting on those heritage units. They pulled into Avon at 3:45. All right, let's take a look, see what we got coming through here. Canadian National line. This will be train 2 today. See what kind of power we have. CSX. Through here. Either maybe we have a setup for a northbounder, possibly, but we're still, like I said, waiting. We do have a CSX waiting too. He's heading eastbound. I don't know if he's left Rose Lake or not, but we're going to keep an eye on things here in Effingham. Stay tuned. We'll have more to come. How about that? CSX on the Canadian National line. So I did get me at least one CSX today. All right, we'll check you on the next video. All right, guys, we're back down here at the Diamond. Quick update. We do have the Kansas City Southern with Union Pacific Power manifest heading westbound. He was just spotted in Terre Haute about a half hour ago, so he's probably about a half hour out from Effingham. And then we do have a grain train that just cleared CSX in Terre Haute. And he is on his way. So we have 2 trains back to back on the CSX line. I would say they'd be here, well, the Kansas City Southern within a half hour and probably about an hour for the grain train. Still waiting on the old heritage units as well. Western Maryland and the B&O will be coming through here. Made a long trip from New York all the way. I think I've been following them since Marion, Ohio today. So he's parked in Avon. They're doing a crew change, and we will catch those 2 heritage units coming through on a stack train. So stay tuned for that. And we're just hanging out, just waiting. Canadian National ran a couple trains through here, 2 southbound so far. Got a repaint, or not a repaint, but a new paint, 3300 southbound. And then we also had the CSX BNSF running through here, also southbound. So a couple southbound trains. Everything's red on red right now, and we're just waiting for CSX to start picking up here real soon. So stay tuned for that. And take a look here and see the old Pennsylvania line, Penn Central. I've got a tanker down here right now that's been sitting down here for a little bit. Brought it in this week. It's been sitting down there with some gondolas. Probably picking up all those railroad ties. There's a lot of railroad ties that they replaced over the summer that are still trackside. And of course we have the Illinois Central line right here. Illinois Central Gulf. And then now the Canadian National line. So we're just hanging out. We're just waiting. Just hoping things start picking up here a little bit right here at the Diamonds. So stay tuned for more action, and we will check you guys soon. All right, guys, we got another train on the way. 3rd southbound train today. The heritage units in Fillmore. It's about 30 minutes from Terre Haute, so should be here soon. Baltimore, Ohio, Western Maryland, coming through on a stack train. Got a couple trains set up too, coming out of the east. Let's take a look. See what we got coming through here. southbound train moving through. I would think this KCS should be here anytime. He's probably waiting around the curve down here, would be my guess. He's got to be coming in here soon. He left Terre Haute about an hour ago, so I would think he'd be coming in. We've also got a third CSX train coming, but I'm thinking, so I think there's 4 on the line total coming this way. There's a grain train behind the KCS UP manifest. We also have the Heritage unit in Fillmore, and then apparently there must have been a train in front of him because there's another CSX train coming. So I think there's 4 on the line total. So, all right, guys, stay tuned. We'll have more to come. All right, guys, our CSX is moving through here. This should be the Kansas City Southern with the UP. Let's take a look. See what we got coming through. Spotted about an hour ago in Terre Haute. Our guy. Got a grain train right behind him. Alright guys, I switched up locations. I'm over in Titopolis right now. Over at storage sheds, and we do have a train on the way. I don't know if this is the grain train. Probably is the grain train. I don't think it's quite the heritage unit yet, but it might be. Let's take a look. You can see we got the railroad ties behind me here. It's probably what them gondolas are for in town, but let's take a look and see exactly what we got coming through here. He's still a ways down there, but he is coming. Yeah, check out all those railroad ties. Starts right there, goes all the way down, and it's just like that along the whole CSX line. So we'll see if this is our heritage units or not. Baltimore and Ohio, Western Maryland will be on this 1007, and he came from Terre Haute. Just got the last report. He was in Terre Haute about an hour ago. And if this isn't it, then this is the grain train, and he is the heritage unit will be held up by Amtrak, because we still have the Saluki coming through at 5:52. Of course, everything's getting darker now since the time change, so that didn't help. Kind of would have liked to have caught this heritage unit in the daylight, but that's all right. But here he comes. He's blinking, so this might, I don't know, we'll see. It's either that or it's the grain train, one of the two. But the grain train I don't think ever went through town. We're supposed to get a grain train through here. This is train that's coming is 1007. We'll see if what this one is. I think he sees me. Not a grain train manifest. All right. I must not saw that picture right. All right. That was a CSX. There he is. He's a little bit late compared to when he left Terre Haute, so he must have stopped.
4.9 track, main 1, no defects.
He's on main 1. All right, we're gonna go change locations and try to get this heritage unit. All right, guys, I think our heritage unit's coming through here. Should be the B&O and the Western Maryland. Let's take a look. let's keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully that's what this is. Rolling through here on Saturday night. Let's take a look. First time to catch both of these heritage units. Let's just hope this is it. Here we go. got a train on the way here. Mail pouch tobacco. That is cool. You
Station 191-267, date 10-19-22, location QS 144.0. ID is I00718, engine CSXT 808, employee S Stanley copy. Circle line 5A, do not exceed following speed 30 miles per hour on main track between milepost QS 185.4 and milepost QS 185.5, sign no. Circle 5B, do not exceed following speed 50, that's 50 miles per hour on main track between milepost QS 167.8 and milepost QS 167.9, sign no. Circle 5C, do not exceed following speed 50, that's 50 miles per hour on main track between milepost QS 153.0 and milepost QS 153.1, signs no. Circle 5D, do not exceed following speed 50, that's 50 miles per hour on main track between milepost QS 149.8 and milepost QS 150.5, signs no. Circle 10, dispatcher, message 28898 is annulled, over.
Give me 5D one more time, please, over.
5D is do not exceed 50, that's 50 on main track, QS 49.8 and milepost QS 150.5, signs no, over.
91267, can effective 1620, 1620 PML, over.
91267, okay, effective 1620 hours, PML, over.
Here we go west.
Good.
Search text block.